welcome back to another video. My name is Fix-It, this is Fix-It Fax-It, and then we have to do my yearly fire alarm test. So, we have the panel here, and the yearly means we have to test every single device in the building. So, yeah, so let's open the panel up here, stick it into a walk test, and let's get started. Would the audience like to pull one?
Sure.
Pull down. There you go. There you go, as you can see. There we go, zone 5. Reset. Pull another one. Okay. I'll just do this one real quick. One more. Okay. One more. Bottom button. Just see this button? Can you click it? And okay, up to my room we go. You were dying to pull this one earlier, so I'll just film you. You get to pull this one.
I just lift?
Yeah.
And pull? What?
Lift here. Like, you pull it.
Oh, okay. That's pull, not lift.
Sorry. Can you go run down and push the button again? Okay guys, so now we have to ring the bells. So let me take the system out of walk test. Okay, we're out of walk test. So now I just have to pull this and let's ring the bells. Good. And good. There we go. Okay, and I'm just testing the batteries. So the batteries are good.
Ears.
So guys, thanks for watching and subscribe.